In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to upgrade Fairmoney account. So all you just have to do, just log into your Fairmoney account, as you can see right here. Then the next thing you're going to do is just click on account details under your balance. So once you click on account details, you're going to see your page just like this, where you see your account number. So the next thing you're going to do is just look down below where you see your account current level, where it says enjoy higher loan amount and outbound transaction limit of up to I don't know exact amount you're gonna see on your own account, but then you can see this is exactly what I'm seeing on my own. So if I click on view benefits right here, you can see this is the benefit I'm gonna be getting on this my current account level. So the next thing you're gonna do to be able to upgrade your account, click on got it. Then there's one option that's gonna shows that you should upgrade your account. So